Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw money from LSSC to Cash App. Well, the first thing I want you to do is launch up the app, come to the top left, click on these three horizontal lines, and this will open up the menu. Now I want you to click on Withdrawal, and you'll get the different withdrawal options. You can either do USDT Polygon, USDT TRC20. Now these ones are the networks, and these are the crypto coins. Or you could do USDC Polygon. You just enter the wallet address and then you click on withdraw there at the bottom. So what I want you to do is to withdraw to one of these. I suggest you to do USDT TRC20, and then I want you to go to an exchange, network, or can withdraw to an external wallet first, and then change that to Bitcoin. And then what you do is you just launch up Cash App. Come at the bottom left, click on this icon or your wallet icon. And here, I want you to click on Bitcoin. And then click on this icon right here to go ahead and trade or deposit. Now you copy this address to the other, wallet you had. And you withdraw from there to Cash App. So you deposit it to this Bitcoin network address, the amount, and there you go. It's literally that easy. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.